156 Ontario. Now, you heard me say Gowganda before, at Tillite. This is it behind me. I figured we'd stop so I could get a decent representation for you to see what it looks like when we visit the Awers. And this is diamictite too, as well, but this is of glacial origin. How can we tell? Well, see these? These are clasts. Some of it's actually a red feldspathic sandstone. We don't know where that came from. Sometimes you'll see it in beds here, but this is massive. You see, this is not bedded. This is not igneous. These are not xenoliths. There's no charring around the edge. There's no recrystallization. These are cobbles and pebbles in a glacial till. That's the origin, at least that's what we think. And you see them all over the place here. This is a really good outcrop. You see ones that are cobble sized. You see really well-rounded ones, which you would expect in pebbles. Some are a little more angular. Some are from closer origin than others, but you basically see the red feldspathic sandstones and algoman granitoids. That's all you see in this. You don't see anything else really. You don't even see the older Huronian rocks in it, because right here we are directly on top of those algoman rocks. And you go north, which is that way-ish, it doesn't matter, it's not here. It's not behind me, it's in front of me. And all you get are these granitoids. That's the only thing they could have sourced from. You know, the Superior Craton, the the big Canadian shield rocks. At the time, these granitoids and these red sandstones were all that they could have sourced from. So that's why that's all that's in here. You don't get anything else because it's right below this. You go further south and occasionally you might see some older Huronian in it, but not here. You can see other well-rounded cobbles and things like that too. And you go all the way down, you can even get stuff that's my thumb's almost a centimeter, or is about a centimeter, so you can see this is all rounded. The smaller things tend to be more rounded. There's a good rounded one right here, cobble size, cobble, pebbles, potato, potato. But anyway, well, there is a difference, but they're pebbles to cobbles here. You don't see any real boulders in any of this, except for that one right there. You see it? See that one right there, that pink one? It's not a very big boulder. This right here. Okay? That's a boulder. So, yeah. Other than that, pretty much everything in here is pebble to cobble. Anyway, that's it. We're going to go see some Awers.